Port forwarding allows external devices to connect directly to devices on your home network behind your Spectrum router. This is essential for many online games and applications to function correctly. Your Spectrum router acts as a gateway using NAT, which normally blocks unsolicited external connections. Port forwarding bypasses NAT to allow specific traffic through. To enable port forwarding, access your router's admin panel, typically at hdaith 192.168.1.1 or height/68.2.0.1. Log in using your credentials, often admin and a serial number-based password located on the router. Navigate to Advanced or Firewall Settings, then Port Forwarding or NAT Gaming. Here, add rules specifying the external port, internal port, protocol, and the target device's IP address. Use a static IP for reliability. Save your changes and reboot the router. Spectrum has been improving security, so make sure your router firmware is up to date. You can use the Spectrum mobile app to do port forwarding as well. When setting up port forwarding, security is paramount. Only forward ports you absolutely need, and use strong passwords for your devices. Be aware that Spectrum may block certain high-risk ports like 22 for SSH or 3389 for RDP for security reasons, so it is important to know what ports you are forwarding. Some popular ports for games include 374 TCP UDP for Xbox and 3478-3480 TCP UDP for PlayStation. For Plex Media Server, the default port is 3400 TCP. If port forwarding isn't working, first, ensure that UPnP is disabled if you're manually configuring ports to avoid conflicts. Check if your Spectrum service uses CGNAT carrier-grade NAT. If so, contact Spectrum support to request a public IP address. The updated Spectrum app version 25.1 Plus also offers guides for port forwarding within the app. Always check your work, and remember, port forwarding is a double-edged sword. It enhances performance, but can introduce security risks if mismanaged.